Pancakes. In this episode today, we are going to be making Cameroon pancake. So these are the ingredients we need. We need flour, all-purpose flour. We need milk. We need sugar. I don't want more sugar, so I'm just going to go in for this. We are also going to be using these 2 eggs since the pancake is not that large. We need a pinch of salt. We also need nutmeg, African nutmeg. And yeah, so let's get to the start. This flour, I'm going to go in with my sugar, the dry ingredients to combine them together. It's brown sugar, that's why I don't want a lot. And we have to combine all the dry ingredients together. I don't want it that much, so this one is good. Yes, I'm going to go in with a pinch of salt, and that is it. Combine everything. This is set aside. Now it's time for us to break the eggs. Oh my god. With the eggs. You have to stir everything. In fact, there's no point. Let me just go in with this milk. Going to stir everything together very well. You see, it's well combined, so it's time for us to fry. Adding a little bit of oil in our pan, not that much. This shape. Now let's make some tea, some hot milk, okay, I'm going to go in with some sugar. The first round is ready. We are going to repeat the same process. Lifted, I am lifted by the Lord. Oh, yes, breakfast is ready. Our yummy pancake is ready. Breakfast is ready. Come and join us.